Welcome, friends. Today I am going to share a concept in stock market called open interest. So, what is open interest and what is the relevance of open interest in the stock market? Open interest basically means the total number of outstanding futures and option contracts that have not been settled yet. That means the contract which has been undertaken by both the parties, buyer and seller both, but their settlement has not yet been made. So it is basically a measure of market activity and liquidity for these derivative contracts. And open interest is basically used by the trader to measure the interest, identify the trends, and to assess potential support or a resistance level. So, how open interest works in the stock market for the purpose of identifying the trends and to identify the support and resistance level. What basically open interest matters? What open interest measures? The number of active contracts, not the total number of trades like volume. So, how open interest changes? It increases when new contracts are created by a buyer and a seller, and open interest decreases when existing contracts are closed out or settled, and open interest remains the same when existing contract is transferred from one trader to another trader. Now, why it is important for trader to have a better understanding of open interest? The first important factor for a trader to understand the open interest is market sentiment. A rising open interest can indicate a new money is entering in the market. It suggests a strong trend, while falling open interest is the signal of end of the trend and trader takes exit position here. Secondly, it reflects the liquidity position in the market. So high open interest of in the stock market, particularly for future and options, generally means the market is more liquid and it is very easy to trade. Then the next important factor is trend strength. When the price and open interest both move in the same direction, it can a signal of strong and sustainable trend. And the last important factor is support and resistance. In option trading, high open interest at a specific strike price may indicate potential support or a resistance level. So there are few important things we need to be considered in understanding about the open interest. One is open interest is not a standalone indicator. Means open interest should not be used by itself as a indicator. It is crucial to combine it with other indicator. Means like price action, volume for more reliable signals. As we know, high open interest does not always mean a strong directional conviction.